Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get 0.5x zoom on any Android phone. Whether you are using a budget model or a flagship device, this guide will help you capture those ultra wide shots. So let's get started. Some Android phones come with a built-in ultra wide lens, like the Samsung Galaxy S23, Google Pixel 8 or OnePlus 12. Open the camera app. Look for the zoom option and select 0.5x if available. If your phone doesn't have an ultra wide lens, you can use apps like Open Camera or Filmic Pro or Digital to create a wide angle effect. Download the app from the Play Store. Adjust the field of view settings to mimic 0.5x zoom. You can also add the 0.5x effect during the editing process. Use apps like CapCut or InShot to add wide angle effects and adjust the aspect ratio. And that's it. Now you know how to get a 0.5x zoom or on any Android phones. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more smartphone tips. Thanks for watching our videos.